Tell me when you're ready.
All right, go ahead.
Okay. There it is.
There it is. And there it is.
I got it.
Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I want to show you what was up with this deck. As you can see here, my 7-year-old is jumping up and down and it's causing the whole thing to bounce like a pogo stick because this post right here is not actually touching the ground. It's touching the ground. It's just the ground ate it and it's actually floating. So here is just a simple couple methods on how to re-support the deck beams, the deck posts for your deck. This particular deck had these 4x4 posts just run into the ground, and so the ground just started settling over time. You can see here these two joists even dropped. So here's what I did. Took a 12-ton, this is just a bottle jack, like a car jack, put it on a paver, made sure that that was fairly level to begin with, make sure the paver is fairly level. Cut a 4x4 post to put between the bottle jack and the header, raise that up, cut a new one to the right length, and I bought these little prefab footers from Lowe's, and then just make sure that it's level, get it in there so it's fairly tight and snug. Then you go through, you loosen the bottle jack, and then screw on some supports, some bracing to keep that post from moving over time. And there you have it. That is how you can re-shore up the posts for your deck in just an afternoon. Super easy to do, maybe $100 in materials total. I guess it depends on how many supports you have. Hey, click that like button and subscribe. Comment down below if you have ideas on how to shore up your deck, and we'll see you next time on Spirit of a Handyman.